Hello everyone, welcome back to Spice Cookin'. Today I'm going to show iPhone 13 details. Let's get started. Launch date September 30th, 2021. Unofficial brand Apple model iPhone 13. Operating system iOS v14. SIM slots dual SIM, GSM plus GSM. Network 5G supported by device network not rolled out in India. 4 grams available, supports Indian bands. 3 grams available, 2 grams available. Rear camera 13 MP plus 13, front camera 13 MP. Waterproof YEs, water resistant, ruggedness, dust proof. Screen size 6.2 inches 1575. Screen resolution 1170 x 2532 pixels. Bezel display YEs. Internal memory 64 GB, RAM 4 GB. Image resolution 4128 x 3096 pixels. Front camera resolution 13 MP. Primary camera. Camera features digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Settings: exposure compensation, ISO control. Battery details: capacity 3 to 85 mAh. Type Li-ion. Wireless charging yes. Quick charging YEs, fast. Multimedia loudspeaker YEs. Audio jack, lightning. Camera details: camera setup single. Resolution 13 MP. Primary camera 13 MP. Wide angle, ultra wide angle camera. Autofocus YEs, phase detection, autofocus. Shooting modes: continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, HDR. Video recording YEs. Front camera resolution 13 MP. Primary camera. Network connectivity: SIM size SIM1 nano, SIM2 eSIM. Wi-Fi YEs, Wi-Fi 800 to 0.11, or AC or B or G or N 5 GHz, MIMO. Wi-Fi features: mobile hotspot, Bluetooth eyes, V5.1. YEs with a GLONASS and YEs. US connectivity, mass storage device, USB charging. Volt YEs. SIM 14 grams bands, till 230 band 40, till 180 band 3 grams bands, UMTS 1900, 2100, 850, 900 MHz, 2 grams bands, GSM 1800, 1900, 850, 900 MHz, GPRS, available, Edge available. SIM 24 grams bands, till 230 band 40, till 180 band 3 grams bands, UMTS 1900, 2100, 850, 900 MHz, 2 grams bands, GSM 1800, 1900, 850, 900 MHz, GPRS, available, Edge available. Special features: other sensors: light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, barometer, compass, gyroscope. Warranty 1-year manufacturer warranty. Performance: chipset Apple A14 Bionic. Processor: Hexa-core 3, 1 GHz, dual core, Firestorm 1.8 GHz, quad core, Ice Storm. Architecture: 64-bit. Graphics: Apple GPU 4-core graphics. 4 color options for the iPhone 13 Pro. These include black, silver, rose gold, and sunset gold. A sunset gold color has also been rumored, but this could be the anticipated bronze color due to the shade used. Supply chain sources say that the rose gold color will be very pale in this series. Apple has now made it official that the iPhone 13 announcement event will happen on September 14 at 10 PDT. Starting price £699, 799,013 for 9. iPhone 13 mini 5.4 inches, iPhone 13 minus 6.1 inches, iPhone 13 Pro 6.1 inches, iPhone 13 Pro Max 6.7 inches. iPhone 13 price in UK: iPhone 13 mini 699, 699, iPhone 13 $799,799, iPhone 13 Pro $999,999, iPhone 13 Pro Max $10991,099. Thanks for watching.